Having trouble with your wireless keyboard, whether it's not responding or simply not connecting, we've got the fixes you need to get back to typing in no time. Connecting your wireless keyboard usually involves plugging the USB receiver into your PC and letting Windows handle the setup. If your keyboard requires specific drivers or software, install those before plugging in the device. If Windows doesn't recognize the receiver, try unplugging it and plugging it back into a different USB port. Look for a sync button on the keyboard to establish a connection with the receiver. Wireless keyboards need power to operate. Check the batteries for proper placement, or if they're rechargeable, ensure they're fully charged before use. If the receiver was detected, but the keyboard isn't working, remove the device from Windows Device Manager, reboot your PC, and sync the keyboard again. Still no luck? Try connecting the keyboard to another computer. If it works there, the issue might be with your original PC. Incorrect or outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Use Device Manager to update your keyboard's drivers, allowing Windows to search automatically for the latest software. If Windows can't find the right driver, manually search for it using the keyboard's model and serial number. Once found, download, unzip, and point Device Manager to the new driver location. For a hassle-free experience, consider using a service like Driver Support to automatically find and install the latest drivers for your hardware, ensuring all your devices stay up to date with minimal effort. With these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot most wireless keyboard issues. For more tech solutions and tips, don't forget to subscribe. Get back to your tasks with a fully functional keyboard today.